Hey everyone, it's me RPHY Samstill, and today we finally have something crazy. This is the brand new Sigma 35 F1.2 DG II Art, edition 025. This is the newest version, super rare, and honestly, this lens is a monster. I'm using it right now on the Sony A7R Mark III, and the background blur, it's insane. The sharpness, next level. And the build is wow. It's quick unboxing. I don't want to take too long. Inside the box, you get the edition 025 booklet, pouch, a huge lens hood, and then boom, the lens. This thing is a thick, solid metal, premium finish, and that beautiful 72mm front element. This is not a joke lens. This is a gentle giant. Holding this lens, you already know it's serious. The focus ring is super smooth. The click on the aperture ring feel premium. And I love that Sigma keep that art series badass look. This DG Mark II version is more refined, better coatings, better performance, cleaner rendering. It's already dark outside, so let's do an indoor test. Even indoors, even in low light, this lens is a beast. I'll show you some quick sample shots. At f1.2, looks like magic. The contrast, the micro details, and the skin tones, everything looks expensive. or video, this is the main reason you buy this lens. At f1.2, your footage becomes cinematic instantly. You don't need a fancy camera. Even at A7R Mark III looks like cinema camera with this glass. The autofocus, surprisingly good. Not that fastest, but it looks and holds. For storytelling, for portraits, product shots, or even cinematic b-rolls, this lens is absolute weapon. If you are a content creator, filmmaker, portrait shooter, or someone who loves the 3D pop, this is for you. This is not a casual lens, it's a serious tool for serious vibe. Overall, the Sigma 35 f1.2 DG Mark II Art Edition 025 is honestly one of the best lenses you can get for Sony E-mount. The look is just unmatched. Heavy? Yes, it's worth it. 100%. That's it for today's quick vlog. More tests coming soon, including outdoor daytime shots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check for more gear reviews. See you on the next one.